we're in the car and it's nighttime. No, but we finna go to the casino, y'all. So this gonna be our casino vlog. We were supposed to go yesterday, but last night, but we ended up not going last night. So we're gonna go tonight, and hopefully tonight is our lucky day, y'all. So stay tuned and wish us love. I needed some poison. We're getting pizza now. I'm just getting the pizza there. So it's $11.
You got $20.32. You turned that $10 into $20.
I gotta cash it out. I
keep playing.
I think I gotta cash it out. Oh my God, y'all. I just turned $10. Hey, don't fuck with me. Don't fuck with me. Very much your own shit. How much money you got?
You
suck.
Nah, what's the $85?
I just like, no idea.
Oh, your stand still, bro. Cash it up.
I'm cashing that out. The girl got all the balls to make this yes, I'm like
you made that off $10. Yes, sir. $10. How much you make off $10? Oh, $100.
$30. That's what I'm talking about. Meanwhile, I got 8%. I got 16 more free spins. I had 10, now I got 16. I got 18 more. $12 so far. keep going or should I stop it here?
I thought that whole
That was just a huge win, Marvin. So Jody trying to ditch me to come back with somebody else next time.
I want a hash brown, and that's it.
How many?
How many hash browns?
Okay, y'all. So we're home, and I am. Oh, I'm tired as hell. My hair look a little messed up. I know my makeup probably do too. I don't know. So y'all, we're at home. I guess I'm finna go lay down because I gotta wake up. I gotta wake up for work in a little bit. So overall, I'll say that the casino was a success. That was fun, and we're definitely going back. So stay tuned for the rest of the videos, y'all. Bye.